Being a coach is such a blessing. You could be sitting at the comfort of your own home, helping thousands of people online, helping them achieve whatever goals that they are looking to achieve. I've been doing this for more than 5 years, and I thought I'll give you a 5-step roadmap on how you can successfully sell courses online in 2023 and beyond. I have personally trained more than 500,000 people in my webinars, and on my learning management system, I have more than 1 lakh students who are learning and going through my courses. And my top 100 students have collectively earned more than 255 crores selling courses online. So I know a thing or two about courses, and I would like you to take notes. Okay, so let's get started. The first step to making a lot of money by selling courses is you got to find your topic. What is the topic that you want to actually teach? Now, the topic selection, there is a process to it, and I'm going to give you a small version of this, and I teach more detailed in this in my webinar. That the link is in the description. You can come and attend my webinar later. But here is the thing about finalizing a topic. It is not about what you know. It is about what problem you want to solve with what you know. There are only 6 problems that people face: a business problem, a career problem, a health problem, a relationship problem, a money problem, or a creativity problem. So if you want to help business owners grow their business, and if you can solve that problem with your knowledge, you can create a course around that. Now, if you see things like AI, ChatGPT, all of these things is buzzing right now. You can see many courses popping up on Udemy, Coursera, Instagram, Facebook ads. A lot of people are doing those courses because they are choosing a topic, or they've chosen a topic which is trending, and they've chosen something where the market needs information to solve whatever problem. So the first step, if you want to make a lot of money by selling courses, is you got to identify what problem you want to solve, and you got to go narrow into it. Meaning, if you're just calling yourself as a health expert, not good enough. If you say you're a post-pregnancy yoga specialist, where you're going to help mothers lose weight after pregnancy using 3,000-year-old yoga techniques, there's going to be a power there, because you've narrowed down your market, you've narrowed down your positioning, and you've also narrowed down your method in which you're going to be solving that problem. The second step of this roadmap is you got to design a business model around this. And this is what I teach in my webinar too. It's not just about creating one course and selling it. That does not work. Okay. There are some people who are like big creators. They sell standalone courses, 5,000, 10,000, 700, 800 rupee courses. No, it works for some of these big influencers. But if you are starting today from ground zero, from scratch, you got to design a 4-stage business model. The first stage is the lead magnet. What are you going to do to capture people's information for free? Second stage is you need to have a tripwire, a low cost entry product, anything under 10,000 rupees for people to come in and experience the value that you're offering them. The third stage is the core product, an implementation program. And the fourth stage is a high ticket product or a high ticket mastermind. So when you have a combination of a lead magnet, a tripwire, a core product, and a profit multiplier, then you'll be able to make this into a profitable business. Okay. Most people don't understand that designing and growing a successful course business is not just about getting one-time sales. It's also about getting recurring sales. So in my case, I sell memberships. I don't just sell a course. Now you tell me which one is better. Okay. Option number 1. Hi, I'm Siddharth Rajsekar. I'm a digital coach expert. I've launched this new course called Digital Coach Launchpad. It's 5,000 rupees. Please buy it if you want to launch your courses. Second option. Hi, I'm Siddharth Rajsekar. I would like to welcome you into my community as a silver member, where for 5,000 rupees, you're going to get access to courses, coaching, a challenge, certification, and community access for a lifetime. 5,000 rupees. Now, which one is better? Option 2 is better, right? So it's the way you stack your product that also matters on how you got to sell the course. Because today, if you see people who are just buying courses on Udemy, they don't complete the courses. The average course completion percentage on Udemy is just 5% or less. So you have to bring in a live element, a community element, a challenge element, a certification element. And the 5 C's is what I teach in my community. When people launch with the 5 C's, they're able to get better results for their students, because the purpose of you creating a course and selling it is not for you making money, but it's to help your students get results. I'll repeat that. The purpose of you launching your course is not just to make money, but it's to help your students get results. And for them to get results, you got to design things in a particular way. The third part of your roadmap is you got to build new skills. It is not just about recording a video and then selling it. No, you have to get good in 5 different areas. The first skill is the skill of list building and generating leads. The second skill is the skill of traffic generation, organic traffic and paid traffic, Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, and multiple things. That's another skill you got to build. If you want to make a lot of money selling courses, you got to build those skills as well. The third skill is the skill of selling, one-to-one selling, one-to-many selling. Okay, conversion is the third skill. The fourth skill, copywriting, writing words, because you're going to be using words in emails, you're going to be using words in ads, you're going to be using words in social media to attract your audience. And the fifth skill is the skill of building communities. It's not just about having one-time transactions transactional relationship. It's about building a long-term relationship with your customers. So the third piece of this, or the third part of the roadmap, is to build new skills, and these skills are going to be helping you make more money. And of course, a lot of the skill building also has to do with how you can communicate on videos, how you can record podcasts, how you can engage people, how you can evoke a response from your audience. Okay. Now, the fourth stage of the roadmap is to get damn good at sales. There are many people who love to record courses. There are many people who have all the knowledge, but they are pathetic in selling. Selling is a system, selling is a process. My webinar selling formula course has helped more than 100 of my top students cross over 255 crores in revenues. The webinar selling formula. There is a system of selling. Many of them have never trained or coached before, but they've just followed my minute-to-minute structure that I give in my webinar selling template. So you got to get good at sales. It's not just about giving knowledge. Don't assume that people will just come and buy from you. They will not. People will buy from you only when they like you, when they trust you, and when they know that you can solve a problem for them. And you have to take them through that process of sales and give them an offer that is irresistible for them to buy. And that is a skill. You got to build that. And if you want to make a lot of money selling courses, the fifth stage of the roadmap is you got to start building communities. As I mentioned before, it is not about a one-time transactional relationship. It's a long-term relationship. Your relationship with your customers has to begin at the point of sale. And you got to activate and nurture communities. And that's what I do. When people buy my front-end Tripwire product and come into my community, they get lifetime access. I put them into hackathons. I put them into teams. We have a private social network where they're able to get all the support, whatever they want. I have different awards, recognition, gamification, and a whole bunch of stuff that makes the entire learning journey so exciting for them. And when they are in that environment of learning and excitement, they transform. This is not a game of giving information. It's a game of creating a transformation by putting people and activating them in communities. A lot of course creators, even the big course creators who have been doing this for many years, they're missing this point because now we are moving into the next phase of the knowledge business revolution that's already happening. It's no more about selling commodities. A course is not a commodity. You got to sell an experience to them, because if you're selling it as a commodity, they'll find other options. If you want customers for life, you got to create an experience that they will never forget. You got to create loyalty. Loyalty cannot be bought. You can't buy loyalty using Facebook ads and Google ads. You can only buy loyalty by being the person who's creating an impact and delivering results for your students continuously, consistently for a long period of time. I hope you got this message. People don't lack information. What people lack is focused implementation and mentorship. And if you can create that roadmap for them and provide them a crystal clear learning path and implementation path, they'll be able to achieve their goals much faster, and that'll help you make more money as well. If you'd like to know more about how this actually works, click on the link in the description, attend my webinar. I'll be going deeper into this. It'll take 2 hours for me to explain the entire system. I'll be showing you some proof of concept and the case studies as well. And when you are able to understand the big picture, then you can get started. And next year, same time, I truly want to see you making 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees per month selling courses. Today, we are at that stage in the world where the world needs this form of education. The formal education system is broken. It's too slow. So people are looking for mentors or implementers. And why not you be that for others? Okay. Welcome to my webinar. Be there. Hit this like button on the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you hit that bell button so that you get more of these videos in the future.